In this video, I'm going to show you how to update the logo in your GRMHIS in connection with the new branding that RMH is releasing in the middle of October. So in order to update the logo in your application, first you need to create a version of your logo that will work for GRMHIS. What I've done is I've just actually cropped it so that only the logo part is showing. It doesn't have all the white space that you see around here. And there are two things that you need to keep in mind when you create the logo file for GRMHIS. And you can check these under the properties if you right click on the file. The dimensions of the logo should be at most 254 pixels wide and at most 137 pixels in height. So here you can see the 114 means that it's under the size requirement and just 1 pixel under the maximum width requirement. So 254 should be the maximum width, and 137 the maximum height. And the other thing you will need to check is the horizontal resolution. The higher the resolution, the more scaling is applied in GRMHIS in Crystal Reports. So my recommendation is that you set your horizontal and vertical resolutions to 90 dpi dots per inch. You can make these changes in any photo editing software using Adobe or GIMP or any other photo editing software that allows you to make these changes. So again, to recap, some cropping, resizing so that it's 254 by 137, and then a horizontal and vertical resolution of 90 dpi. So once you have created that version of the logo, you can then go into GRMHIS, and from your Tools menu, you're going to go to Application Settings. The first place you're going to change the logo is here on the main section here. So you're going to click on the Select Logo option, and you're going to go to find your logo file. So here I've got my RMH logo file here. So I'm going to double click on it, and you'll see here that it gets updated. The next thing you'll need to do is go through each of your locations. So if you only have one location, you only have to do this once, but you'll have to go through each of the locations in this list that are active, and you need to update the logo here. So I'm going to go to my family room here. I'm going to select my logo that I had created and save this, and again, repeat for each one that I'm doing here. So I'll do my two family rooms, and I'll do one of my houses here and select the logo. Once I've gone through and updated the logo, that now ensures that your logo will appear on all the printed reports, such as invoices, receipts, etc. So for example, if I just look at a payment receipt here, I'll just manage a payment receipt, and I look at one here, and I go to preview, you'll see now that my logo appears on my report. Then the last place you need to go is you need to go into if you're using the web module for room requests and so on, you'll need to update the logo there as well. So you're going to go to Tools, Web Module Settings. And you can do one of two things here. You can either use the default logo. So I will be updating the default logo on all the web forms as of October the 15th. Or you can use your own logo here as well. So same process as before, select the logo, and it will publish it in here. And if you have your logo with your chapter name on there, you may want to not have the organization name appearing on the web form. So I can uncheck that as well. I do want to show the logo there. So we're going to apply that. And then if I view my sample form, and I bring this in here, you will see now that the new logo shows up on my sample form. I didn't do a great job of editing, so you'll have to make sure that your editing is a bit more crisp than what I did there. But those are the steps that you'll need to follow in order to update the logo. And I'm just going to, for now, just make this back to the default logo. And that's it. Those are the steps that you'll need to take. Hopefully that's clear. And if you do have any questions, feel free to reach out.